Hey everyone, Sunil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and Clean. It's a bit windy where I am, so I hope you can hear this. There's a serious issue on this property, as you can see here with all the poo. Pigeons nesting under the panels. Then I'll just show you here, there's a solar bird proofing net. It's a metal PVC coated mat. As you can see here, it's very nice and strong, and we go right around the panels. I'll be tidying all of this up, so I'll show you the end result, but I just want to show you the progress that we are making. So basically the panels, the netting is clipped into the actual framing of the panel. So, and these clips can be removed, so if there was an issue or the electricians needed to get in underneath, they can remove these, and then, you know, these would need to be replaced. So this is basically the process that we're going through, and we'll do this right the way around the solar array here. Okay everyone, so these are the finished results. We're just finishing this last section along the edge of the gutter, but basically here you can see here the mesh is all very nicely tightly wrapped around each section of framing as well, and of course there's no possibility that any birds would be able to get in here. The mesh is quite strong, so you can see, like, even if some, you know, a critter or something, a rat or something, we even tried to get in there, there's no way they can actually pry it open. It's galvanized steel with PVC coating, so, and the product comes with a 5-year warranty. Some of these components are manufactured in Australia, which is really nice as well. This is most certainly not from Bunnings, and you can see all the clips have been fitted off. Everything's very secure, so there's no way that mesh is moving anyway. And at the end of the gutter there, what we're also going to do is we're just going to put the mesh covering over the gutter, so that the birds cannot actually nest in that section of nest either, in that section of gutter, sorry. So I hope that's helpful to you. We'll probably finish off with an external panel clean on this job, and that'll be a complete result. Hope that's helpful. If you need a hand with something similar to this or anything to do with exterior cleaning, do give us a call and have a look at our videos online. Be happy to help you.